Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Bristol-Myers Squibb Company, detailed guide step by step clearly. To invest in Bristol-Myers Squibb Company, start by conducting thorough research on the company. Review the company's financial statements and earnings reports to understand its performance. Analyze Bristol-Myers Squibb's recent news and developments in the pharmaceutical industry. Evaluate the company's pipeline of drugs to assess potential growth. Next, determine your investment strategy. Decide whether you want to invest for the short term or long term. Consider how much capital you are willing to invest. Choose a brokerage platform that aligns with your investment needs. Open an account with the brokerage if you don't already have one. Complete the required documentation and fund your account. Once your account is set up, search for Bristol-Myers Squibb using its ticker symbol, Bristol-Myers Squibb. Review the current stock price and historical performance charts. Analyze market trends and forecasts related to the stock. Decide on the number of shares you wish to buy based on your research and budget. Place a market order to buy shares at the current market price. Alternatively, consider setting a limit order to buy at a specific price. Monitor your investment regularly to track performance. Be aware of upcoming earnings reports and significant corporate announcements. Reassess your investment strategy periodically based on performance and market conditions. Stay informed about any changes in Bristol-Myers Squibb's leadership or corporate strategy. Develop a plan for when to sell your shares, whether it's based on target price or company performance. Finally, keep up with industry trends and economic updates that may impact your investment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.